I'll bet you guys can't guess where I'm at. Huh. Shopping for some more Stanley things. We can use the front-facing camera. I don't think I can flip this around, huh? Okay guys, so I know you guys can't guess where I'm at, but I'm looking at these boxes. I need to get a few more, but they're 15. These ones are 10. They look pretty good, but I want to compare them. So I want to compare size for fitting in the truck. So yeah, they hang out. They're pretty damn close as far as they're pretty darn close as far as put them in this carton. See if we can. Oh, yeah, pretty darn close, except for just a little bit longer. I know they won't fit lengthwise because these ones fit perfect, two across. So these are just a little bit too big this way and narrower. These are $10 and these are 15. But the way I might be, and they're not as deep, I don't think. Yeah, not quite. I just think they're a little. I think they're both 10 containers. Or 18-inch. I think the other one's 17-inch. 10 bins. Still. Yeah. 17. 16.5. Still 10 containers, but bigger. Huh. Latches seem a little beefier. Handle seems like it. I don't know. Oh shit. Oh, that's good. Coolness. Containers I think are a little smaller, and the whole thing's a little smaller. Seems a little cheesier too. Yeah. Get what you pay for. I've yeah, it seems alright, but it does seem just, I don't know, I've tried I think I'll probably get one of these and see what it does. Never know. To see for, I've proven these Stanley boxes though. These Stanley have, they've proved their test of time. I've had them for years and fully loaded, way heavy, hauled them up on roofs, out in residential backyards, up in attics. I mean, I've beat the crap out of these things, and they still have held up. I, touch wood, I've not had one failure with these Stanley boxes. These things are freaking, they're strong. They're good. They make a good product. And like I said, I've got them for years. I've probably been doing it at least 5 years out with those boxes, I'd say. So, like I said, they're really good. Just kind of checking it out. There's also these, I think. These are bulletproof. These things are 30 bucks. And these things are gnarly. Those things get the full-on gasket around it, and this thing's heavy duty. Heavy duty. Yeah, but also I think it's probably a bit heavier, empty, and quite a bit bigger. That's for sure. Yeah, look at the size difference there. You got friggin' monster. You see, I want to smoosh my glasses, hopefully. I want to break my glasses, that's for sure. Anyways, yeah, these are doesn't have a tag on it to say what it is, or this would go with my transport system, but I'll have to look at that later. But Home Depot orange. Yeah, look at it. Shit, this thing, my Stanley almost fits inside it. It's freaking monster. And then a little bit. A little smaller. Yeah, look at that. That's the end lined up as far as space-wise. How much bigger it is physically sized-wise. Then you gotta go in a bit though to actually get the containerage area. So quite a bit bigger. My personal feeling on this Husky one is it's quite a bit smaller, contents wise. This one you can actually do stuff with this one. The containers are so big, they're pretty massive. I just think the actual cubic feet of usable stuffage. I wonder if they have on there that. Yeah, I just think these containers are awfully small. It just seems smaller, so I guess not doing it for me, the Husky. I think I'm gonna stick with my Stanley. Yeah, no, this Milwaukee's pretty cool. I just saw this. This is the Milwaukee. Nice one, the 20-inch organizer. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. About the same size as this one. A little bigger. A little bigger, that's for sure. Bigger capacity. I'm liking this Milwaukee. Wonder how much a Milwaukee is. 20 bucks. It's a little bit more. Pretty cool. Yeah, Milwaukee's pretty cool. I might have to upgrade from my Stanleys. Yeah, not the same depth and everything. thickness wise. Yeah, just a little bit bigger, I think. A little bit bigger in quantity. Yeah, about an inch or two longer, or yeah, just a little bit bigger. Nice. I'm gonna have to check out the packouts and see what they look like. But this one, pretty darn close. I have to see if they'll fit in my truck, bookshelf wise, like Diesel mentioned, because they won't go too across because it's bigger. Yeah, it won't go that way. Just a smidge bigger. There it is, the look of it. Just barely fits inside it. Like size wise. There's like the downward look. Just a smidge bigger. I like that Milwaukee though. I got a funny feeling I'm going to be switching over to the red team. My Ryobi did something the other day. The drill, when I put it in reverse, it unchucked itself all the time when I was trying to go reverse on a screw. And that pissed me off to no end when I'm upside down inside a cooler. So I might have to go. I'm definitely going red team 12 volt fuel, hopefully brushless with them. Got to get one. That's why I'm here. I might be getting one of those tonight. I'm going to definitely try the red team. So I think that's what NorCal using them. He seems real happy with it. So, and I think it's real lightweight. I was looking at everything, and 12 volt be pretty lightweight, maybe even lighter than probably lighter than my 18 volt Ryobi. I'm into lightweight these days. All right, so that's cool. I'm gonna check packout. There's a packout one. These things are 40, 44, 45 bucks plus tax. Things are nearing 50 bucks a piece, but they're even bigger yet. Check out the size of that sucker compared to, that's even bigger than its regular packout. And I guess even bigger than the rigid. I think it's the biggest of them all. Should be at 50 bucks almost. Wow. Yeah, definitely the cat's meow. Look at these hinges. Looking smooth. They're glitching. Get what you pay for, boys. The action on these things are nice. Very sweet. Just all around, I think they're a top end product. If you're wanting to go, that's actually probably the way to go. I mean, if you got the room in the truck and everything, and I don't like this. Where can you? Oh, you can't remove the center? Oh, that sucks. Wow, that sucks big with it. Well, they're wasting all this center space for something. Oh, that sucks the big one. Oh, man. So it's like the same organizer space, maybe. I wonder what the hell they got the middle space not using it for. Oh, man, that was a fail. That's a major fail. What the hell are they doing with this thing here? I don't know what the heck you'd do with that. Not digging that. Well, that sucks. I was kind of digging on this packout thing for a second there. Wow. What a shame. They screwed up the storage capacity out the yin yang. Nice box, quality box built and quality. beautiful quality on the box, but they need to make one of these things that has all containers. You need to do it right, man. That's so wrong. Alright, so not digging that. Okay, well, they're all lined up in this cart. So they're all lined up there. And this is what you get on this end. So you get your Stanley, Milwaukee, regular container box, 20-inch container box, then the packout, and then the rigid. And then the Husky would, well, I don't know where the, see where the Husky lines up. Here's the Husky. Wow. The Husky is a terrible, bad excuse for space optimization. Almost as big as those red ones lengthwise. It's as big as the regular Milwaukee. Bigger lengthwise. All lined up here on one side. Okay. Well, there you go. An example of all the cases. The Husky, Stanley, Milwaukee 20-inch regular organizer, Milwaukee packout rigid. Okay, guys. The Stanley and the Milwaukee. This is what I'm digging these two. I'm gonna get one of these Milwaukees right here. They're not terrible price. They're like 20. Yeah, these are 20 for the Milwaukee. About the same weight as the Stanley for 14. But I think bigger containers, you get a little more different size containers. These are all the same, different. I'm gonna check that out just kind of as an example box to have to see if I want to go this way, if it'll fit in the truck. I want to just like size it up and see put these against the wall kind of thing. It'll be like in the truck, and see if it sticks out too far in my truck or not. But yeah, I think these are a little more durable. Nice action on the hinges here. These are real nice. Get real nice action on those. Seems very quality build like the packout, except it doesn't have that stupid ass line in the middle thing that's the waste, man. This thing. Yeah, you can pull. Oh well, look at this freaking shit too. Oh man, I'm gonna take a saw to that thing. What a pain in the rear skis. That's a freaking joke. I'll put a freaking divider in the middle here. Man. Huh. I guess that's how they make it line up with the lid or whatever. I don't know. Rigid doesn't have to do that. I don't think. I don't know what they do or whatever, but anyways, so when you take everything out of this one, you end up with a frickin' thing. It could be good. I mean, you got a lot of room there, and you got room there, so yeah, it could be all right. But kind of crazy. So should be able to move everything around too. Let's see if we can just put all this stuff around here and see if it goes back in and closes right. Yeah, it's just squares, so they're all the same squares, same size. I'll grab one of these and grab one or two of these maybe. Then we have one section that's going to have all different. I wish they sold them in colors and stuff. That would be kind of cool. That way you could have color-coded boxes. You could just tell your helper, hey, go grab the blue box or the yellow one or the red one or the green one, or you know. At least this way, at least I'll be able to say, hey, grab the red one. This will be the only red box I got on the truck. So, besides like the toolbox, but all right. Just thought I'd give you guys a rundown on what's what here. What that is. There's a tag. Lifetime warranty against defects in the hinges breaking and stuff. Kind of stuff. A handle falling off and that kind of stuff. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video on the comparison of all those different organizer boxes. Please click like on the video and subscribe. Alright, take care guys. Bye.